Okay guys, it's Ford Fiesta 2009 and today I'm gonna show you how to replace the cabin filter string. And the string side, as you can see, just in front of the console box, there's a things here, is there on the light? The clips here, we remove the clips and we remove this plate here. Okay. After we removing the plate, and then you can see this one, the use with the star Allen key, and then we open this one, and then it's gonna come out the cabin filter. We just remove that one. It's 20 number 20 star key. We just open this one. The screw here is the 20 star. Okay, after we remove the screw, and then we just remove this one. As you can see, it has a clip in the top. So when you put in, first you put this one up there, and then put the bolts, and then this is the cabin filter here. Okay, this is the cabin filter. Here you go. It's just in the dryer side. That's all. Thank you.